the biology of the Blackwing virus. How the Blackwing virus has been synthesized. The Blackwing virus was accidentally synthesized by Sith in an attempt to create an elixir of immortality. The mixture had to be injected into the vertebrae of a living human through mechanical pumps. Scientists of the Imperial Biological Weapons Division weaponized the virus with lungs from sick patients' bodies. What is the transmission process of the Blackwing virus? The host who got the fluid that synthesized the viral mixture was always patient zero who spread the contagion. The method of transmission was a contaminated bite or a contact with infected bodily fluids, saliva, blood, etc. The Imperial weaponized version of the virus was a highly contagious airborne transmission. Which species are susceptible to the Blackwing virus? The virus easily crossed species barriers. The species known for being susceptible to infection are Bothans, Dathomiri, Deveronians, humans, Ethorians, Mon Calamari, Rancor, Rhodians, Celestins, Tauntauns, Trandoshans, Twi'leks, Whippids, Wookiees. Force-sensitive plants are also susceptible to infection like Nedi, Murakami orchid. How contagious and deadly is the airborne Blackwing virus? There is a rule in virology. Contagiousness is irreversibly proportional to deadliness. The Blackwing virus is as contagious as rotavirus and measles, and as deadly as rabies and more deadly than Ebola, making it the worst virus in the universe. Level B biohazard gears were ineffective to prevent infection. What are the symptoms of the Blackwing virus? The symptoms depend on the mode of transmission. The airborne contagion caused respiratory difficulties, gastroenteritis, fever, internal bleeding, mental symptoms, etc. A bite caused the swiftest reaction within minutes, tissue necrosis, and a gelatinous gray fluid beneath the wound. All of those symptoms worsened, leading eventually to death. What was the prevention and treatment against the Blackwing virus? The only prevention methods were 1. Level A biohazard gears, fully encapsulated suit positive pressure, full face piece self-contained breathing apparatus. 2. Antivirus serum made from the blood of some humans with natural immunity to the airborne strain. There was no treatment, no cure. Once infested, you were doomed. What happened after the infected died, post-mortem? Victims of bite contagion were transformed almost instantly after death. Victims of airborne contagion rose from the dead when a sufficient number of deads was reached. Those who died from causes other than viral infection may return as undead, airborne strain. How to kill the undeads and the virus. The undeads weren't affected by decapitations, by shootings, by beatings, by stabbings, and by falls from great heights. Grinding up the bodies of the infected was effective, but some of the remains could still spread the infection. Only fire or the complete vaporization were effective to stop the undeads and destroy the virus. What are the skills of the undead? They communicated via oscillating waveform screams that only the undeads could accomplish or understand. They were able to learn and develop new skills based on experiences of other undeads, to use blasters and lightsabers, to pilot starfighters, to arrange a communications blackout, to operate the Star Destroyer Vector's tractor beam. This collective sentience made each undead a part of a single living organism, reacting and adapting to the environments around it. Are the undeads dead? In the novel Death Troopers, Dr. Zahara Cody stuck antivirus syringes in an undead's head. This brought back part of his mental and bodily control, and his memory, but only for a short time. A possible explanation could be the anti-necrosis properties of the serum in his brain. Does this mean an undead is not dead, but a spirit trapped in a zombified body?